Y'all see all that trans fluid on there? All that is just transmission fluid. There's rain on it now, but as y'all can see, that's transmission fluid. So I honestly don't know why this car is leaking again. Yeah, it's full. Can y'all see? It's definitely saying full, so I don't know why it's taking a second for everything to kick in the gear.
Hey, forgive me if I leave you, I'm just doing what my heart said. I'm not who I used to be no more, now I move cautious. I've been on my block life for so long that I felt bossed in. Homie on my block no more, but I let them know I can't change, yeah. I be in my head like high.
What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce, back with another video. And before we get started, I want to tell y'all a little bit about this car, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all go to click on my channel and click on playlist and click on car content. The playlist is called car content. If y'all go to that first video I ever posted in that playlist, y'all will see me. It's the day that I picked up this box Chevy, you know what I'm saying? So y'all see that video. Now when I sent this car off, you know what I'm saying, to the mechanic shop, it was to get the carburetor adjusted and to tighten up my transmission because it was leaking transmission fluid. I had to put transmission fluid every day just to try to drive it, you know what I'm saying? And so that was supposed to be fixed. Now if y'all look at the title of this video, y'all will see I'm out of transmission fluid. I'm guessing that could be the only reason, because when I put it into reverse, it like takes a couple seconds for it to actually realize that it's in reverse, you know what I'm saying? So it got to be low on trans fluid again. So that's what we're going to be putting in today. If y'all can see, got us some transmission fluid. Then after I put some in, I'ma take the car on a test drive in the next video. So y'all stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna finally be driving the box Chevy again. Even though I know I don't have my fan shrouds on, I'm not gonna be going far, I'm not gonna be driving it too long, but we will be taking it for a test ride the next video. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But like I said, I sent this car to get the transmission tightened or whatever. I thought it was because, like, you know what I'm saying, some transmission bolts might have been missing or loose or something. So at the time I didn't know, and honestly I forgot what he told me he did because it's been so long, you know what I'm saying? It's been over a year now. But yeah, when I sent this to him, he was supposed to do all that and then adjust the carburetor. And yeah, because when I was driving the car and I was ready to come to a complete stop, I couldn't completely stop and take my foot off the gas. I had to keep pressing the gas or the car shut off. So that was another thing, he fixed that for me as well. So yeah, now I can hold the brake and the car won't cut off, you know. And yeah, he put new spark plugs on it. He adjusted my distributor and my timing. Yeah, he did a couple things, you know what I'm saying, a lot to it, you feel me? So like I said, now it's leaking transmission fluid again. I'm gonna show y'all once I get it out of the car before we add a little bit more transmission fluid in here. It's leaking again, and yeah, that's really it, man, you know. So because last time we put the car, when I did the video on everything I've done to this car, when I got ready to pull it out, I tried to put it in drive and it took like 5 to 10 seconds before it actually get in gear, and then it let me go, you know. So I'm guessing that could be the only reason, but if not, that's why I got y'all. So we here together, you feel me? So like I said, we're gonna be adding transmission fluid. I'm gonna show y'all all the transmission fluid that's leaked out over the course of a few months, you know what I'm saying, with the car just been sitting. And the next video we're gonna test ride it, you know. I haven't drove this car in a while and I miss driving this car, y'all. I miss driving this car so bad. But before we get started, make sure I hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. And I'm supposed to be, it's a buyer supposed to be coming to buy these 22s that I have. If y'all don't know, that's how I've been making some of my money. I've been flipping wheels a little bit on the side, you feel me? But it's this guy supposed to be coming to buy these 22-inch wheels. Once he come and get those, then I'm gonna put in my order for my tires for my 26s for this car. So I hope y'all stay tuned for that, man. Hopefully he come and get it today like he said he was. If not, then I just told y'all that for nothing, you know. Got y'all hopes up for nothing. But I'm hoping he do, so I can order them tires, and tires come in, we get ready to mount them. Then by the time we get the Cutlass back, I can throw them rally wheels on the Cutlass, you know, do it like that. So yeah, hopefully he do. Hopefully he'll man his word, and hopefully he come and get them wheels, cause I'm tired of looking at them. But yeah, let's get out of the car. I'm gonna show y'all everything, and we're gonna get started. You feel me? Putting this trans fluid in. Then the next video we're gonna test it. So yeah, I'll catch y'all once we get outside. All right, y'all. We out of the car now, as y'all can see. You know, so I figured to show y'all. The ground is wet, so forget it. Gotta do what I gotta do. Hold on, y'all. 1 second. 1 second. And I'm gonna show y'all the trans fluid that we've been capturing. We don't want it to tear up the ground as more as, you know what I'm saying, it's already been doing. Or maybe there's been there before, but y'all see all that trans fluid on there. All that is just transmission fluid. You know, just transmission fluid. So like I said, I don't know. Hold on, I got y'all zoomed in. But I don't know where it's leaking from. Maybe it's a seal on the transmission, maybe, that's making it leak. Maybe it gotta be dropped again. I honestly don't know. But that's something we do need to figure out. And I know what y'all saying, why is the transmission all the way, I mean that thing, that top all the way at the front of the car. It's only like that now because I backed the car up, but that is all. I'm gonna pull it out for y'all, let y'all see. Ooh. There's rain on it now, but as y'all can see, that's transmission fluid. So I honestly don't know why this car is leaking again. And a little bit, it looked like a little bit of oil too. But this is from rain. As y'all can see, the ground is wet, dry. So most of this is rain, but transmission fluid is leaking. And I do have a dipstick on this car, so I can, dang, that gotta be oil too. So I can check the transmission fluid levels. Let me show y'all. So my dipstick is right here, so I can check, like I said, check the transmission fluid levels and see how much trans fluid is in here. Let me put y'all back on the tripod. All right, got y'all there. So what I need to do is grab my handy dandy paper towels and the trans fluid. Now let's get to work. It might not even need a lot. I'm just thinking it's a little bit low, you know. Yeah. All right, so y'all hang tight. First thing I need to do is check it before I just throw some in there. Alright, let me re-dip it and see what it's talking about. No, it's saying it's full. So why is my gears taking a minute to kick in? Why do y'all think it's that? Y'all think my transmission going out? If so, I'm probably gonna just replace the entire motor and transmission and put a 5.3 in here, because it's definitely saying it's full. Yeah, it's full. Can y'all see? It's definitely saying full, so I don't know why it's taking a second for everything to kick in the gear when it shouldn't be. I'm gonna take it on the test drive next video. If I get stuck somewhere, and I just get stuck somewhere. But yeah, I don't know why it take a second for it to kick in the gear, but it's reading as full. Maybe overly full, for real. It's a little bit over the line. Okay, so now I'm confused. I don't know why it take a second for it to kick into gear, but the trans level is full. So I don't know. Well, I'm gonna put this up now, so I don't need it. My key is in the car. That's one thing I like about old school. You can leave the key in the car without the door trying to lock on you. Gotta pop the trunk so I can put this trans fluid up. Alright, put it up over here. Move this wire so none be touching. So yeah, as y'all can see, I got a couple bottles of trans fluid. Well, y'all can't see over there, but I got 3 on this side, 2 on this side, so 5 total. But I got them not even just for this car. I got them just so I can have them, you know what I'm saying, for the cars in general, all 3 of my cars. But yeah, like I said, I don't know why it's doing that. Throw this wire in here. I'm using that for another project, so yeah. But like I said, I don't know why my trans fluid level is full, but the car is not shifting in the gears. You know, when I put it in reverse, it takes seconds for it to jump in the gear. When it didn't used to do that. It used to go right, pop right into gear, you know? And same thing when I put it in drive. So I honestly don't know. And that's why I have y'all, so y'all could probably tell me what's going on. I mean, I could probably look up some stuff on Google and it'll probably tell me. I don't know. I honestly don't know. But I'm finna get ready to give me another windshield wiper motor. I hope it come with I don't have the original wire harness. I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out later, but I'm gonna be getting me the original wiper motor back. But yeah, the transmission, let me check it one more time. Make sure my eyes not deceiving me. Yeah, it's definitely full. It might be overly full though, for real. I haven't put nothing in here really. Nah, I ain't put nothing in here since I got the car back. That's been a year. Cause all them bottles in the trunk are full still. They're brand new bottles. So yeah, I don't know. Cause like I said, all the bottles I got in the trunk are brand new, still sealed. Seal ain't even been broken on them. So I don't know. Well, y'all can't see me, but I don't know why the car's doing that then. I'm trying to wipe y'all off because y'all got a little bit of transmission fluid on y'all. But yeah, like I said, I don't know why the car's doing that. It takes a second for the gears to kick in when I'm trying to put the car in the gear, reverse, drive, etc. You know what I'm saying? So I really don't know. Put my paper towels back up. So yeah, if y'all could let me know, please let me know, because I honestly don't know why it's doing that. And I will catch y'all in a second for the outro. In the next video, like I said, we're gonna be taking the car for a test drive, so catch y'all in 1 second. Alright guys, so I really thought that the car was doing it because it was low on transmission fluid. So now that we seen that it's not, I honestly don't know what else to try. I mean, I could look up stuff on Google, you know, and it'll probably tell me what's going on. I'm just hoping it's not my transmission going bad, you know, because I wasn't ready to swap the motor. I mean, I'm gonna have to buy all new motor mounts, do the wiring harness, all that stuff. I didn't feel like doing all that. Transmission mounts. I didn't feel like doing all that. But it's looking like I might have to if it is the transmission going out, because I don't want to replace the transmission. I will save this motor though, just the motor. If the transmission go bad, probably the transmission too, and see if I can get the transmission rebuilt later on, and probably get the motor, try to get it bored over or something, you know what I'm saying, to get a little more power to it. But honestly, I don't know what else it could be. Like I said, I thought it was the transmission fluid, probably was low. That's why I was taking a second for everything to kick into gear, because I let the car warm up, I let the motor warm up, everything, you know. I don't just get it in and go with these O's, because I let it warm up for a little bit, you feel me? So like I said, honestly, I don't know what else it could be. I thought it was the transmission fluid, and I hope it's not the transmission going bad. That's one thing I hope it's not. I hope it's not the transmission going bad, because I don't want to replace the motor or tranny right now. But if I have to, I guess that's what we're gonna have to do, you know. I'm gonna end up throwing a 5.3 in here though. We're gonna LS swap it, put a 5.3 in here, cause I can't pay no $6,000 to $10,000 for a 6.0 right now. That's something I just can't afford, you know. And y'all know I'm honest with y'all, so I ain't gonna act like I'm balling. I got all this, I can do that. Nah, I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all, you feel me? So yeah, man, it's gonna be the end of this one. Hopefully it drives well next video. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that, you feel me? We're gonna take the car on a test ride and see how everything is doing. But I'm already knowing how it's gonna do, you know. So I got about a quarter tank of gas in here. So that's another reason why we're doing that drive next video anyways, because I need to run this gas out so I can swap the gas, you know. So that's another reason. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We didn't do much. We didn't do nothing but check the transmission fluid levels. And I just told y'all, you feel me, basically what's going on with the car. How, you know what I'm saying, the transmission level, well, the transmission, I don't know. I don't think it's slipping. It's just when I get ready to put it in gear. I don't know. Y'all can help me figure it out. I know y'all will. Y'all usually do. Y'all usually always do, you know. So I appreciate y'all so much. But yeah, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one. God bless. Keep God first. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.